Today at Grand Pleasant Farm, we're gonna take our Easter bunny to downtown Yakima and over to Hidden Treasures thrift store and let the kids see the Easter bunny from 1 to 2 and cruise around some neighborhoods. All right, Yakima, the Easter bunny. Oh, we're getting closer. Alright, we're at Hidden Treasures thrift store and the Easter bunny is now here. Wow.
You want me to grab her for you?
Even dogs like the Easter bunny. Easter bunny in the traffic cone. All right, we're finished with the Hidden Treasures thrift store and we're gonna head on to Discount Tire and get some air in our tires. Got our discount area and now we're heading down Knob Hill, heading to Tampico slowly, waving at the people. And we're cruising the Walmart parking lot with the Easter bunny. And we're in Tampico. Alright, that was a fun time with the Easter bunny. We're heading back to the farm. Thanks for watching.